Hello everybody, here I will show you how to autofill Jotform using Excel. Imagine being able to save tons of time and effort by automatically populating your Jotform fields with data from Excel. Whether you're handling surveys, registrations, or feedback forms, this technique will streamline your data collection process dramatically. You won't have to manually enter data anymore, reducing the chances of errors and making your workflow much more efficient. Stay tuned as we dive into this practical guide on how you can easily set this up. To begin, let's head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the website, you'll find yourself at the sign-in page. Now you have a few choices for logging in. You can either use your Google account, your Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can simply log in with your email address and password. Choose the option that suits you best and get yourself signed in. After successfully logging in, it's time to locate the specific form you want to work with. Think of this form as your canvas, where you'll be integrating the data from Excel. Open up the form that you have in mind. Jotform offers robust features that will significantly enhance how you manage your data entry tasks. Now let's move on to the exciting part, using the Spreadsheet to Form widget. This tool is a game changer. It allows you to upload a spreadsheet directly into your form, using the data within to automatically fill in your form fields. This not only saves time but also ensures accuracy. In the Jotform Form Builder, look for the Add Form Element button. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of options. We need to focus on the Widgets tab. Once you're in the Widgets section, search for the Spreadsheet to Form widget. When you find it, go ahead and select it to add to your form. With the widget added, a settings panel will appear. This is where the magic happens. In the panel, you'll see an area labeled Upload File. By clicking here, you can choose the spreadsheet file from your computer that you want to use for autofilling your form. Ensure that the spreadsheet is ready and contains the data you wish to integrate. Once your spreadsheet is uploaded, the widget will ask you to choose the Access Code column from a drop-down menu. Selecting the correct column is crucial because this is where your form will pull its data from. If your spreadsheet includes multiple sheets, make sure to specify which sheet you intend to use for this operation. Before you finish up, take a few moments to explore the other options available within the widget settings. These settings allow you to fine-tune how the data will integrate into your form, ensuring a smooth and seamless operation. Once you're happy with all your settings and selections, there's just one last step. At the bottom of the settings panel, click on the Update Widget button. This action finalizes your changes and makes sure that your form is ready to work efficiently with the Excel data you've integrated. And just like that, you've successfully set up your Jotform to autofill using Excel data. This process not only boosts efficiency, but also significantly reduces the chance of data entry errors, making your data collection efforts much more streamlined. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to autofill Jotform using Excel. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.